Understanding, keep intact, a guide to English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, keep intact. This is a commonly used expression in English, and understanding it can really help you in both speaking and writing. So, let's dive in and uncover the meaning and usage of keep intact. Keep intact is a phrase that means to preserve something in its current state without letting it be damaged or separated into parts. It's often used to talk about preserving the condition, structure, or completeness of something. For example, if you say, "The museum keeps ancient artifacts intact," it means the museum preserves these artifacts in their original condition. To better understand keep intact, let's look at some examples. 1. The contract must be kept intact to ensure all parties understand their obligations. Here, it means the contract should remain unchanged. 2. Please keep the puzzle intact until I return. I want to finish it myself. This means don't take apart or change the puzzle. Understanding synonyms can also help. Similar phrases include maintain, as in, maintain the status quo. Preserve, like, preserve the condition. Uphold, such as, uphold the integrity. Keep intact is versatile and can be used in various contexts, such as historical preservation. The restoration work aims to keep the historic building intact. Legal terms. The agreement must be kept intact for legal compliance. Personal relationships. They worked hard to keep their friendship intact over the years. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, keep intact, and how you can use it in different contexts. Remember, mastering such phrases will enhance your English communication skills significantly. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use keep intact in your conversations and writings. See you in our next video.